Hello folks, it's just after 2:15 in the morning on the 12th of December. It's a Sunday and I'm wide awake and I have a special treat I want to show for myself. This is something that I have been waiting for several months. This is a birthday present and it's just over 2 months due. I was originally supposed to open it on my birthday, but due to several inconveniences I had to postpone it, but I just feel the time is right now to do this, and got right here PlayStation 5. Extra controller and games, and let's quit yapping and open this bad boy up. There she is. It's definitely a her because of the colours. It just looks like a very feminine model. But this was a bundle deal that, first of all, thank you Bunny. I love you so much for this birthday present. You know exactly who I'm talking to. And this was from Game as a bundle. I got this. Well, I was given this. And it came with, I think, several games. May have been about 2 games, and then the other 2 games were bought separately. But this came around maybe about £650, including games. Now, considering it is above the average retail price of £450, getting this brand new in game, which is a bit of a challenge, but it's worth it if you try in the end. You're actually getting a better deal getting this in game brand new than in CEX. CEX, for those Americans who are watching on, is the equivalent to your GameStop. It's like an exchange service that does electricals, games, devices, etc. But I'm going to open this, and I've got my knife ready, and I got my foam wrap just to set the console on whenever I'm putting the stand up. So this is going to be so good in the years to come, watching this. It's my first ever PlayStation unboxing video. I wish I would have done this so many years prior. But anyway, let's open it up. Right. It is a box in a box. Maybe it's best to slide this on its side. It is a very big console. This is like the biggest PlayStation console that Sony has produced. And I thought the PS3 Chunky was a beast. No. There we go. Has some weight to it. I do keep the boxes because it's good to see when you display purposes. And here's the main box here. Oh, I cannot believe I'm doing this. This is so cool. Yeah, this is a birthday gift. It's near Christmas, but I consider this a birthday gift. Just the only thing is it's a bit overdue. Nearly into Christmas. Right. Manuals. People throw all that stuff away, but it is good to keep. You never know when. More manuals. It's a power adapter. I had to put a sticker on that Set PS5 because I have so many plugs. The HDMI lead. Hopefully it's not too small. It's like, because where I'm setting it is quite far from the HDMI ports. This is the glorious stand that it goes into. Oh my goodness, okay, this is my first ever time holding the DualSense controller. Oh my goodness. Wow. There it is. Very sleek design. Sony there. And has the USB-C charge lead connection. There's the reset PlayStation button, and I think that's to mute and unmute your chat settings. But wow, it's very sturdy on the hand. Right. Okay, I got the power lead, HDMI lead. Oh, I was looking for this. There's the charge lead, USB-C. And I'll just set this all aside for now. Wow, okay, this is the big one now. This is the main hardware. Here it is. Oh goody. She's ready to come out. Oh, I feel like a child. So excited for Christmas. Let's put all that stuff away. Oh my goodness. Look at her. Very, very nice. Finally have her. Oh my goodness, look at this. There it is. There it is. The PlayStation 5 console. She is a beaut. Very, 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 very impressive. Very, very nice. Now, time to put the stand on, and see if we can do this. Oh, it slides. So there's a wee screw piece there. And down the bottom, there's like this wee circle you need to pull out. This, and then just put that away, and then you literally just line it up. So there's some weight to it. I saw people putting this in. There was a wrestler called Rusev, and he literally set it sideways, upside down, and I'm like, oh, that's going to ruin your system. Don't do that, you twat. This is the right way to do it, and it's just keeps your system very, very sturdy. And then this goes in there just to keep that. And there it is. The PlayStation 5. And the cool thing about this is that it matches the colours of my PS Vita, black and white, and I might as well just get this over. It matches PSVR, my controllers, headset, which I've already opened months ago. I bought it myself for the PS5, but it works on the PS4 Pro as well. There's my black and white PS4 Pro and the aim gun for the VR. So yeah, this is so cool. So I'm gonna pause this so I can put it in its place. And here is where she is, right there. The HDMI lead had no issue stretching over on the other side where all the ports are. And there's a nice LED PlayStation light to get me in the mood for PS5 gaming. I am out. I'm not going to bother showing the setup. There's plenty of people who shows all that malarkey, but I'm only doing this for the unboxing, and it's time for me to enjoy this. I need to get something to eat first. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed this. God bless, bye.